I used to cry before kindergarten classes came to the tech lab because it was just so exhausting to try to help 25 students who don't know how to use a computer mouse. Can you relate? I'm Brittany, and I have a technology curriculum to share with you. Imagine kindergarten students independently finding their way to the lesson and completing activities that help them master the mouse and keyboard as well as navigating a computer. If it doesn't seem possible, I'm here to tell you, I figured it out and I want to share the secret with you. I created an online curriculum to teach technology skills to elementary students. The website is click and go, meaning everything your students need is right on each lesson page. Think of it like a workbook, but digital. You, the teacher, just demo the lesson to the whole group and then let students go to devices and get to work. After a few sessions, students learn the process of getting to the web page for that day and can get right to work. Talk about a game changer from the, okay, click here. Did everybody click here? Raise your hand if your screen looks like mine. Okay, click here next. Pure exhaustion. I think you're going to love all the time and energy that I just saved you. Visit k5tech.net to learn more.